Hello. Is that the commissioner?
I beg.
Yes.
I beg.
Yes. I'll make sure. I'm just waiting for the driver to come and pick me up. Yes, the driver is coming to pick me up. Hello, young lady. How are you? Yes. Excuse me. Let me. I'm in the meeting.
Jesus.
Yes.
Jesus.
Yes. I will board to Abuja.
Boss, I will not waste your time.
Let me get off the phone. I will call you back now. I'll call you. I'll join you. Yeah.
I will not waste your time. Please.
What's the matter, young girl?
Boss, you don't want to move again.
Move to where? I'm waiting for my driver.
Driver.
Yes.
Shebi, the worker.
Yes.
And then you just stayed one place.
I had a call.
You had a call. Okay, boss, I beg. No wasting time. My 1,000 naira just fell. Please, can you just lift your leg? Let me check.
Come on. What's that supposed to mean?
This leg.
Come on, that's an embarrassment to my person and the detrimental image you are trying to create before the public.
Shebi, you don't
what you wanted to take me for, and how you wanted to perceive me.
You don't
This is an embarrassment, and I will make sure I take it up. I'm going to sue you. I will take disciplinary action against you for this act that you just committed. I will tell you I'm a Federal Republic connected.
Just lift your leg. That's all. Please lift your leg.
You are still better of me.
My
Lifting my leg.
1,000 naira is.
I've lifted my leg.
What if it is?
Which,
Lift your leg, boss. Because me and you go.
if you go down, I will make sure I lose my whole trade. I'll lose my whole trade.
You have got to take my 1,000 naira. If I put you in your hand for this plan,
Faxyman still not go. Hear what?